Thinking of upgrading your tattoo game? Whether you're a pro or just starting out, choosing the right machine makes all the difference. Stick around as we break down the top 5 best tattoo machines on the market right now. Let's dive in together and find the perfect fit for you. Item number 5. Introducing the Dragonhawk L3, a cordless tattoo pen built for precision and power. Weighing just 233 grams with a 32mm comfortable grip, it offers up to 7 hours of battery life and a smart screen display. With 7 adjustable stroke options from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters, it's perfect for lining, shading, and color packing. Powered by a strong Mcore motor and advanced direct drive system, the L3 ensures smooth, quiet, and snag-free tattooing every time. Item number 4. Meet the Mast Fold 2 Pro, a wireless tattoo pen built for professional artists. With 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters and a powerful Mcore C1 motor, it's perfect for lining, shading, blending, and color packing. The 233-gram pen offers up to 7 hours of smooth, snag-free performance. It includes 2 batteries with an OLED display and quick charging. Compatible with all cartridge needles, the Fold 2 Pro gives you total freedom and precision in any tattoo style. Item number 3. Introducing the Kiss of Dragon wireless tattoo pen, designed for precision and freedom. Built with a lightweight CNC machined aluminum body, it features a custom coreless motor and a 3.5mm stroke for smooth lining and shading. The powerful 2400 mAh battery runs up to 8 hours with adjustable voltage and a digital LED display. Its modular design makes maintenance easy, and it's ideal for both professionals and beginners looking for reliable wireless performance in every session. Item number 2. The Dragonhawk Professional Tattoo Kit includes everything you need to start tattooing right away. It features a cordless pen with 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters and 1-button switch for lining and shading. Powered by 2 1500 mAh batteries, each offers up to 8 hours of use with fast charging and LED voltage display. The advanced drive system ensures smooth, quiet performance. The kit also includes ink, needles, practice skin, and accessories, perfect for both beginners and pros. Item number 1. The Ambition Soldier Tattoo Kit is a professional-grade wireless machine built for precision and power. Featuring a 4.0mm stroke and custom coreless motor running at 9,000 RPM, it's ideal for lining, shading, and color packing. With a 2400 mAh battery, enjoy up to 10 hours of runtime and a multifunction LED display. The kit includes 20 high-quality cartridges, 10 practice inks, and all essential accessories. Perfect for artists who want a reliable all-rounder for practice and performance. Which of these tattoo machines is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.